The answer is because you only have one life to live. The question is, why do we want to spend as much time as possible with our loved ones? If you're like most humans, freedom and love are the core values that you hold most dear to yourself. If not number one, certainly they rank in the top three. The freedom to live your life the way that you choose. The freedom to spend your time with your loved ones whenever you want and for however long you want. Doesn't that sound incredible? The problem that many of us are faced with is that financially, this type of freedom is not possible. But what if it was? One of the largest expenses, if not the largest expense in a person's household budget, is their housing obligation. If there was a way, a financial tool that could completely eliminate the burden of a mortgage payment, would it be worth the next 5 minutes of your time to learn about it with an open mind? Well, I'm here to tell you that there is. It's called a home equity conversion mortgage, otherwise known as a reverse mortgage. A reverse mortgage is a very unique financial planning tool. Born in 1961, it became a Federal Housing Administration FHA insured loan in 1988 when President Ronald Reagan signed the reverse mortgage bill into law. Since that day, literally hundreds of thousands of homeowners have benefited from the advent of this program and have been able to take back their freedom. Hello, my name is Norbert Jerfy, and I'm a reverse mortgage professional with Neo Home Loans. I'd like to spend the next couple of minutes of my time giving you a breakdown of the top 5 benefits associated with this powerful financial planning tool. Number 1 benefit, and probably the most enjoyed benefit, is that you will not have a mortgage payment. The payments are deferred on a reverse mortgage loan. You only pay back when you want to sell the house. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it is true. As long as you live in the home as your primary residence, maintain the home, and pay the property taxes and insurance on time, you can live in the home for as long as you'd like without a mortgage payment. You cannot outlive the loan. Number 2 benefit, you own the home. The title is in your name, just like any other mortgage available to homeowners. You get to decide if and when to sell the property. And just like a traditional mortgage, your heirs will inherit the home per your trust and will. Number 3 benefit, the mortgage is a non-recourse loan. This means that you're not personally liable. The amount that you or your heirs are responsible for will never exceed the market value of the home, even if real estate market values go down and depreciate. When you call me, ask me about the 95% rule, and I'll explain further what I mean. Number 4 benefit, you can now use a reverse mortgage to purchase a new home. Many homeowners think that it can only be used to refinance your existing mortgage. Starting in 2009, FHA made it available for purchase money loans as well, giving home buyers a huge advantage. Now you can purchase your home, have 0 mortgage payment, and keep some of your hard-earned cash in your bank account for safety and security instead of using it all for the purchase. Number 5 benefit, and this is my personal favorite, the line of credit that you get when you obtain a reverse mortgage loan grows every single year. No matter what happens with appreciation in your marketplace, the line of credit will increase at a pace of 0.5% above the interest rate on your loan. Additionally, the revolving period never closes, meaning you'll always have access to the available funds in the line of credit, not just for the first 10 years like a traditional home equity line of credit. Now that you've been made aware of some of the benefits a reverse mortgage has to offer, your mind is probably racing with ideas and possibilities. Many homeowners that I work with start by asking themselves this simple question: could this financial vehicle be right for me? They ask themselves, what are my retirement goals and how close am I to accomplishing them? Does my current home meet my needs, and how long can I live in my current home? Would an unexpected expense take me off track? Where will I be in 5 years? Where do I want to be in 5 years? What excites me about life? And am I doing enough of that? These are all great questions that we all have to consider at some point and self-assess on our own. The solution to these questions may be right in front of your eyes. I believe that you found this video and you're watching this video for a reason. And I hope that it's created some answers and given you comfort. Your retirement years are precious. What you're doing with them and what you could be doing with them is important. If you have your freedom or you're ready to take your freedom back, please reach out to me so we can have a one-on-one conversation about your dreams and your goals and your personal scenario.